Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes of Oreo biscuit easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a muffin tin with liners. Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk eggs, melted butter, milk, and vanilla until smooth. Fold in crushed Oreo biscuits and stir gently to avoid overmixing. Spoon batter into liners 3/4 full, top with a cookie piece, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes of Oreo biscuit easy method. Prepare frosting by creaming softened butter, powdered sugar, and a splash of milk until silky and pipeable. Fold crushed Oreo pieces into a portion of the frosting to create a textured filling. Fill a piping bag with plain frosting, add a small dollop of Oreo-filled frosting in the center, and swirl on top of each cooled cupcake. Finish with a half cookie for crunch. In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes of Oreo biscuit easy method. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipe ebooks while you bake, with a glare-free screen and long battery life for kitchen sessions. If you like relaxed reading during cooling times, consider it as a handy kitchen companion. Please subscribe and like if this helped. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes of Oreo biscuit easy method. Use room temperature ingredients to help batter blend smoothly and prevent overmixing. Fill liners evenly to ensure consistent baking times, and check cupcakes around 18 minutes with a toothpick. Rotate the pan if your oven heats unevenly, and remove cupcakes promptly to cool on a wire rack. Wait until completely cool before frosting to keep decorations neat and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.